Hi everyone, thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a flamingo. Well, I'm really excited. Let's go try to draw it and see what we can come up with. We're going to start by making a backward C shape that curves down. Next, we're going to go from where we started and we're going to make a curved line coming out. This will be the flamingo's beak. Then we're going to curve that line back up and we're going to finish the beak. Next, we're going to make the flamingo's neck. After that, we're going to make the flamingo's body. We're going to make a few zigzag lines on the back for feathers. Next, we're going to make a couple U-like shapes at the bottom of the body. This will be where the legs come from. From the bigger U-like shape, we're going to draw two skinny lines going down. And then we're going to make the flamingo's foot. This will be the leg that the flamingo is standing on. Now we're going to make the other leg that is bent. We'll go from the other U-like shape and we're going to make a V-like shape, and then we're going to make another V-like shape that's right next to it. Then we're going to continue the rest of the leg and the foot on the other side of the leg we already made. Now we're going to add some detail to the flamingo's body for the feathers, and then lastly we're going to make the flamingo's eye. This is how to draw a flamingo. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now come color your flamingo in with us.